Today I'm going to show you how to export a selected clip in CapCut PC quickly and easily without exporting your entire project. This is a super useful trick when you only want one section of your edit, one specific moment, or a trimmed part of your timeline saved as a separate file. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing shortcuts, and simple software guides. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, make sure your project is already open in CapCut PC and that the clip you want is sitting on the timeline. The fastest way to export only a selected section is by using keyboard shortcuts. Start by moving your playhead, that's the vertical line on the timeline, to the exact first frame of the clip or section you want to export. Take your time here, because the more accurate you are, the cleaner your final export will be. Once the playhead is in the right spot, press the I key on your keyboard. That sets your endpoint, which marks the beginning of the range you want to export. After that, move the playhead to the very last frame of the section you want to keep. When you reach the endpoint, press the O key. That sets your out point and tells CapCut where the selection should stop. Now look at your timeline carefully. You should see the selected area highlighted while the rest of the timeline becomes gray. That visual check is really important because it confirms CapCut is only going to export the selected range instead of the whole project. If the highlight doesn't look right, simply adjust the playhead and press I or O again until the selection matches your desired clip. There's also another helpful shortcut you can use in some cases. If you've already cut a clip on the timeline, you can press Shift and X together to automatically set boundaries around that cut clip. This is especially useful when you want to export a clean segment without manually marking the start and end every time. It saves time and makes the process even faster. Once your range is set correctly, go to the top right corner of CapCut and click the blue Export button. CapCut will now prepare the export and only render the highlighted section you selected. This is the key step that makes the whole process work, so always double check your range before exporting. If you accidentally selected the wrong part, cancel the export, adjust the in and out points, and try again. When the export is finished, you may want to return to your normal full timeline view. To do that, click Cancel on the timeline range indicator. That clears the selected export range and brings back the full project view so you can continue editing without being stuck in selection mode. It's a small step, but it keeps your workspace organized and makes the next edit easier. And that's it. You now know how to export a selected clip in CapCut PC using the fastest method with keyboard shortcuts. Just remember the flow. Move the playhead, press I for the start, press O for the end, confirm the highlight, and then hit Export. It's simple once you've done it a couple of times, and it can save you a lot of editing time. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.